Hi. Hi, Prashant, and thanks a lot for joining this meeting.
Yeah,
Myself,
hi, bro.
yeah, hi. So, first of all, congratulations for getting placed in entry data.
Yes, bro. Thank you.
Great. So,
And
let's
thanks for
start.
your support.
Okay. That's a lot. Thanks a lot. So, let's start with the few questions which we had in mind to ask you in this particular
Okay.
meeting. We'll start with the first
Okay.
question. Like, how did you hear about Network Rhinos for the first time?
Mhm. Okay. One of my colleague, he is already in the class of CCNA. So I have seen how the trainer, before I have seen the trainer, name is uh, in Bangalore. And Rakin, both the guys are teaching very well. So I have seen how the class is going on. Literally, I got crazy about the job, and I got crazy about the course also. So I just visited the Maratali branch. Then I got some important spots about CCNA and cybersecurity, and I have attended the class in live session. Then I have some uh, extra points about the classes and how the class is going on and how the trainer taking the classes and how they are explaining the classes in live sessions only. So literally, I'm getting proper clarity about the classes in first day. It will giving good impression to me. So that day itself, I decided to join the course. Even that day only, I got admission.
Okay, that's great, and thanks a lot for that information. So next question, Koyala. Like
Yeah.
when you joined for the first time, what was your first impression about network rhinos during the course of initial stages?
Initial stages, literally, it's going well because of we guess everyone is like a starting stage only, like a beginners. Even trainer Sharon as well. Like he will explain each and every notes, each and every topics he covered, and whenever he asking the some question, he explained very detailedly. So literally, very good impression start days.
Okay, that's excellent. Thanks a lot. Now,
Yeah.
regarding your the class quality and teaching faculty, so how was the quality of
Mhm.
education provided? Did you perform labs? How was the trainer support on the labs part, mainly for CCNA? As you know, we need to do a lot of labs. So, how was his support? Did you guide
Yeah,
him
yeah.
labs? And how was overall your, for example, you have some questions in between the class. Later on, you call him. How was his response? And
Yeah, literally every single day he giving the lab. Whatever the topic he covered in that day, he will give some labs like two labs, three labs he's giving. Whenever we texting through, actually on the class only he given the proper explanation about the labs. If we get some doubts, we will reach out like on per calls and the group messages or WhatsApp messages. We just took the screenshot and whenever we sending the messages, he will give reply within an hour. So it really helped a lot to get more knowledge about the lab, clear the labs on time. So it's really helped well to understand the concepts.
okay, that's great. And about the management support during the course of training, how was the management support through me,
Okay.
myself, Vishnu, and Rakin and Niveta part?
Actually, I got a best support. Whenever I got some problem about connectivity, some other issues, I just got clear on the on time only. Even whenever I call to Niveta and you also, actually I called you for some job supports, right? And you also given some good guidance. Through I just applied some more job and I got some job referrals also. So it's quite well, literally.
Okay, that's great. That's a lot. Thanks a lot for that. And how
Okay.
about preparation? How did you prepare for the interview so that others can also be useful in our same
Okay.
team or for future students also?
Sure. Yeah, sure. Actually, I got some important topics from you and some Sharon sir also. He given some important topics like what are the things we are using in life, like currently the current concept and current strategies. He sent me a lot, so I just go through with that normal like a VLAN and OSPF and some concepts also, and I attend the review whenever the like Interviewer asking some question, I just note it down. Second interview, I will prepare that same question in some extra points. So literally, I attend 11, 12 interviews.
That's great.
This is my third interview. I got joined, which
Okay.
means I have prepared 12 interview questions.
Okay.
After first got, I got joined in entity data. Even this entity data also, they ask lots of questions. I have that all question material, so I will give you later.
Okay. Got it. Thanks a lot for that. So now, what about
Yeah.
the future students? Normally, when training centers, anywhere you call training centers, they we always tell 100% job guarantee is there, warranty is there. So how was the real
Ha,
feel
ha,
about
ha, ha.
the Rhinos? Was it like true that we are providing the job and we're making sure each and every students get the job as a family member, or you think like
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
this point of view, we are supposed to give the job, we gave you the job. What do you feel about that for new students?
No, literally, before also I got admission in some other institute. They said we will start the session like it's a training session only. They promised us within a week they will start, but in a month also never start the session. Then only I just refund the amount. I just coming to join Network Rhinos.
Hmm.
So as per their promise, they started within a week the classes and everything. They completed the class as per their commitment. They given 2 months. They will complete the classes also within their commitment. After job also they assign they taking like meetings every Tuesday and Friday, and we can get the wherever the vacancy is there, wherever the things opening. We just got it from you and Sharon sir. Like yeah, it's quite good to get a job in Network Rhinos compared to other.
Okay. As the last and final question, how easy was to
Okay.
reach one of our trainers or the management for any support? Is it like very hard or easy? How it was?
No, whenever I just the number I called and make it make it done. That's it. There is no critical day I never faced.
Okay. Fine,
So single call I can access anyone.
fine. Yeah, up to MD
Yeah.
level meetings.
You know, right? So many times I called you and I talked with you.
I have seen a lot of calls from you. So we were actually we initially like when we get calls, I used to tell Sharon for any cost, Prashant he should get the
Yes.
job. So primarily focus on Prashant. Okay. And
Exactly. Because of I'm a 2017 passed out. Past 2 3 years, I got some other experience. That is the thing. Literally, I'm getting full doubt about this CCNA and this institute. I definitely will get the job or what. After training session only, I just find out we will get the job and will do training also.
okay, got it.
Yeah.
So finally, you want to tell like anything about Network Rhinos to anyone?
Yeah, definitely, it's a good institution to join. And definitely, I referred some of my friends also. So just keep it well and just do. Actually, already we're doing the good job. Please keep it.
Sure, sure. Soon we'll find you as a manager or somebody in other companies
Definitely.
or in the data. Yeah. Congratulations, Prashant.
Exactly.
Thanks a lot
Thank
for
you, bro.
joining this meeting. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.